Hi Tejasvi.
Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We were so lost. I was. This is like you caught me at my most comfortable, my favorite spot in the
Yeah?
house. Yeah, this is my spot.
So how does it feel, in your new house, in your childhood home, but I mean so well transformed?
I love this space. So this space used to be my bedroom, like my first ever bedroom, ever since I was in my fifth standard. And then we made another floor, so now my bedroom is upstairs. So now that I've made this, and then this room became the pantry. So it was my first bedroom. No, it was the kitchen first, then it turned into my bedroom, and then from my bedroom it turned into just like a storage pantry room, and then from that now it's my makeup vanity room. So
Wow.
this room has changed a lot of names.
I think this room has gone through a lot of
A
transformation.
lot of transitions, yes, yes.
Yeah, so I mean like which is your favorite spot in the house?
This.
This?
This is my favorite spot.
Why so?
Because I have everything in this room, and when I sit, there's a mirror right in front of me, and I'm obsessed in with like looking in the mirror every time. So it's very distracting.
So what do you generally wear when you're like chilling and enjoying in your zone?
Generally, this is my vibe, like just jeans and
Okay.
t-shirt. But then today I've also come from the shoot, so I'm wearing a jeans and t-shirt. But otherwise, if I'm home, then it's just pajamas.
And you're just enjoying in this couch.
Yes, just me, my couch, my room. That's
Wow.
it.
So what kind of music does Tejasvi listen to? Like
Music.
which genre?
I like all Hindi songs, and I actually like English also. But I really like songs that are like slow and emotional, like songs that will make you cry for some reason. I don't know. I love.
What is your current favorite?
What's my current favorite? I actually like Shankar Ehsaan Loy, so like Shankar Mahadevan. I really like.
Okay.
So I like the whole classical zone.
Wow,
That's my
that's
zone, yeah.
that's nice. So, Tejasvi, tell me which is the most unique item that you have in your house right now?
Unique, I will say the swivel unit in my living room.
I thought so.
Yeah, because everybody's been like fascinated by that. Like whoever's come home and they've been like, oh, this is very interesting. Like, because my house was like really long. So it's long but not wide. So it was confusing as to like how do you divide that space. So it's designed very smartly. It has that division in between, and the whole thing with the TV I showed you, like it turns around, it's used in both sides. It's made it into a living room and a dining room with its individual privacy, but also not completely shut off. So I think that's the most unique item in my house.
So, what is one thing, Tejasvi, that you just don't like in home at home?
I cannot stand cluttered houses. Like a lot of times I feel like some interior designers, they come to your house and they're like, we can do this here, this here, this here, this here, this here, and like a million things in like one space, because they want to kind of put in everything, and I feel like that is their way of hiding their mistakes. Because when you put a lot of things, it's very
Correct.
distracting. But if you're somebody who's confident of what you've done, you're not going to hesitate showing people what you've actually changed in that space or everything. And that's one thing that I really liked about Design Cafe. Even if they added a lot of these furnitures in the house, they never made the house look smaller. In fact, to be very honest, I feel like it has made my house look way bigger, because now that there's so much storage, all the clutter that was there in the house is all stored. So now
Correct.
they've added, instead of adding more storage like wardrobes, it's made more space. So they've made my space bigger.
So, Tejasvi, we spoke so much about your house.
Yeah.
So, tell me 3 words to describe your home.
um 3 words, I think it'll be comfort,
Okay.
harmony, and magic.
Wow.
I'll say comfort because your house should be a space you should want to come back to, because
Absolutely.
that's the space you're like the most comfortable with.
Correct.
Which is why we've never moved out of this house, and I've always lived in this house
You're
like,
living in this house
since the last 25 years.
My goodness.
Yeah, so like, yeah, a long time. So I've really like grown up in this house, so I've seen this transform, and I've loved the energy, and this is my comfort space. So that's one word. Harmony, because every time we've ever done something new to this house, so even now with Design Cafe, we've made sure that the story of the house remains intact, and that we've not completely changed the house. there's some remembrance of how the house used to be, and these are the changes that we've made, and not completely overshadow the story of the house.
Correct.
So that's why harmony. Magic, because every time I've done any changes to the house has accepted it so gracefully, especially if designed well.
Correct.
I think no matter how old the house is, you can always beautify it. So that
Absolutely.
I find magical.
That's so sweet. I really loved how you described it in 3 words: harmony, magic, and comfort. So, Tejasvi, like, how do you unwind? I'm sure your shoot schedules are very long. Like today,
It's very long. It's very long.
how do you unwind after such a long day?
I just, I think after I come back home, I really just like being quiet.
You don't want to talk to anybody.
I don't want to talk to anybody. I just want to be quiet. And if you notice, it's like my house doesn't have so much like awaz, right? Like, because
It's very calm.
it's
and
very
peaceful.
calm. It's very shant. So like I like being quiet, like ekdam sannata wala quiet, or I'll just watch something light-hearted. So I just want to be in front of the TV and just like distract myself. So I'll watch something light-hearted. I'll just,
Anything recent favorite of yours that people can think about? Oh, Tejasvi is watching this episode or this series.
I am watching Netflix ka this show called The Woods, but it's not like light-hearted at all. Huh? It's pretty dark.
So you like dark?
Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. I like comedy. Like I just finished Schitt's Creek, which is it's terrible that I finished it now. Like I'm so late to the party, but I finally watched it. I'm obsessed with the series, and
Wow.
and then I keep watching. So lately I've been like watching a lot of limited series. So The Woods
Okay.
is also a limited series. So that's why I am on
So
it.
that is your current favorite.
Current, yes.
Okay, so anything like any home cooked meal that you like? I'm sure you have a very difficult schedule when you are outside. Any home cooked meal that you like?
No, even if I'm outside, I always take my dabba. So,
Oh.
like, yeah, I'm only eating home cooked meals, and everything that my mom makes. Everything.
So what's your best mom cooked dish that you just love? You can never say no to it.
There are actually a lot.
एक दो
There's
तो
also like
बता सकते हैं.
sabudane ki khichdi. There is the fish curry rice, fish fry. Even like the most basic like bhindi ki sabzi and roti is like so good. Everything. Like, I can't choose one. There's
अच्छा, tell me that is something that you hate. Like ऐसे बहुत लोगों को हमको होता है ना कि लौकी नहीं पसंद. Something that you लौकी की सब्जी नहीं पसंद. Anything that you just don't like.
I am not somebody who doesn't like sabzis. I eat every sabzi. So I like all the vegetables. I like everything. But lately, I think I am just frustrated with the phool gobi. I'm
You
not
had a
even
lot
kidding.
of phool gobi?
Yeah, I've been eating a lot of phool gobi. And even if it's good, but like if you eat it like thrice a week, it's a bit much. Cauliflower is like getting onto my nerves lately. I'm not enjoying it.
So I think this, Sundar skin ka raz is the sabzi, the vegetables. Tell me one tip, yeah. I mean, like, I love your skin. It's
Yeah,
glowing.
basically don't do makeup. This is like no makeup. I've just come out of the shoot. For the shoot also, I didn't do any makeup. For this shoot also, I'm not doing any makeup.
This is your no makeup, or is
there
it like
no
zero makeup?
There's zero makeup. I have a little bit of a lip, पर वो भी चला गया मुझे लग रहा है.
My goodness.
I had lipstick in the morning,
Huh.
and then I haven't touched
And then
up.
you had that lipstick also.
लिपस्टिक मतलब खाना कॉफी जूस होके वो कम हो गया होगा. I'm sure
क्या
you can't
राज
see
है
any.
यार Tejasvi about this skin,
No, but
this
you also
glowing
have a
skin?
beautiful skin.
I have makeup
you
on
have-
my face. You tell me your skin is looking so pretty.
Don't put a lot of makeup. Let
Okay.
your skin breathe. But yeah, sunscreen you have to put.
Okay.
Sunscreen you have to put.
Okay. Any home, ghar ka recipe of besan, haldi, something?
I've heard that, but I've never tried it.
Okay. Do
I've
you
heard.
apply anything ghar ka?
No.
No?
No.
Kaise? This is like such a God gift.
Is
God's
it
gift.
looking nice? I thought I was looking like exhausted today, but
No,
take it.
man, your skin looks
I
lovely.
feel nice now. Okay, thank you. I thought I was looking exhausted.
No, just look at your skin.
Because
I'm
my eyes are literally shutting. Like I can't even tell you. Like that's how
I'll
tired
just
I am.
take another 2 minutes of yours. That's it. And then you can.
Not at all. It's fine. I have a flight to catch in an hour.
Yes,
so
I'll wrap it up.
my day, even if it gets over with you, it's still not getting over. I have a long day.
How many
today.
hours do you work? I am sure people would want
No,
to know.
today is going to be like easily like Not every day it's like this.
But
That is
generally.
also honest. But today it's easily going to be like 16, 17 hours.
Do you sleep? How many hours does Tejasvi sleep?
Ideally, I want to sleep from 8 to 10 hours, but I haven't been able to for the last 3-4 days. So the 5 hours I've been able to sleep.
And still your face is glowing.
Have to. No, I am
Bhai
getting a
sahab.
pimple. It's starting. It's going to come. It's starting. I can feel the pain.
So tell me, like, if you have to give one tip to everybody for maybe, for storage or for anything, like what would you say for anybody who is going to design their home?
Have lots and lots of storage. This really is something I learned the hard way because I never liked a lot of furniture in my house. So I used to keep very little things in the house. But then what I realized was with time, just because you have very little things now doesn't mean you're not going to add up things. So every time I would add up things, it would just be laying around here and there. So when I now have storage and I have a dedicated area for everything, everything is so properly organized. And storage, actually, the more storage space you use, the less cluttered the house looks. So this is something I have learned. And
That's very true.
And I have learned that through Design Cafe. And
Oh, that's so sweet.
yeah, so that's one big tip that I'd like to give everybody, to have a lot of storage in your house. Lots.
Yeah.
More than me also, I feel like. It's never enough. It's never enough. Trust me. Yeah.
And especially for girls.
Yeah. It's all going to fill up. Don't worry. Yeah.
So tell me, like, you spoke so much, about your home and the entire experience. If you had to dedicate one song for Design Cafe, what would that be?
One song. I've never dedicated a song to company.
Anything that comes to your
Interior
mind.
design
Anything.
company, but okay.
Anything.
I think I would just dedicate Ed Sheeran's song "Perfect" because I feel like they're just perfect. Like everything they've done has been spot on. So like
That's so
perfect,
sweet.
I guess. As weird as it sounds, I would like to dedicate that song.
Yay! So thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was wonderful. I loved being with you on this couch. Like, you made me also feel so comfortable. Thank you
This
so much.
space is so comfortable. They've made it so comfortable. Everybody feels at home here. Trust me, everybody.
Do let us know in the comments which corner you love the most from Tejasvi's house and from her home tour. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tejasvi Prakash and Design Cafe's YouTube channel. Bye!
Bye.